Today, we're keeping it simple and powerful, adjusting audio levels in your video. Let's get started. Open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure you have your audio clip on the timeline. This could be background music, a voiceover, or even sound from a video clip. Now, tap on the audio clip to select it. Once it's selected, you'll see a toolbar at the bottom. Tap on the option called Volume. Here, you'll find a slider that ranges from 0 to 1000. Drag it to the left to lower the volume or even mute it completely. Drag it to the right to increase the volume up to 10 times louder than the original. For background music, a lower value like 100 to 200 works well so it doesn't overpower your voice. For voiceovers or speech, set it closer to 800 or even 1000 to keep it crisp and clear. You can also tap on different audio clips and adjust each one separately so you get perfect control over every part of your sound. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to adjust audio levels in CapCut Mobile like a pro. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow editors, and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips. See you in the next one.